What is up, YouTube? So today I'm here with my fluffiest slime. It's sticky, but so fluffy. And I bought this, so I can buy this anywhere. So how I made it fluffy was I used some Justice. So if you do not have this, it will not work. And some that. Oops. I'm supposed to touch it yet, so you use that. And so you mix it in. So I can see from the camera, it's not turning out red. But this is not a slime fail, guys. So it keeps on, so it foams up like that. And then when I open this, and just clean the container out of it to make it even fluffier. It's basically like shaving cream. See, look at it. But it's still like a good slime though. So this is it. This is it now. Fluffy. And this was it. So now I'm gonna go on this side. I'm going on the other side. So this is the same slime. I just didn't add it. So it used to be so plain and like this is breakable now. So look at this. See how breakable that is? Still sticky. But if you come over here, this is not breakable. It is a little bit, but it's not that breakable. So what you can do with this one, same thing as that slime over there, is you can add this, see, add that, and then you can add that, and then your slime will turn fluffy. There's another tile. Okay, so there's another tile which you can use. This is activator. Your slime will smell good. This is You Are Super Sweet foam body wash. Cupcakes, and so it smells like cupcakes. I need more activator. So if you add like a little bit of activator, I'm adding like, I don't know how much I'm adding, but it's not a lot of activator. So your slime will turn fluffy. And my notifications button is in the comment down below, so make sure you go check that out. And guess how many subscribers I have? Only 2 subscribers. So make sure you go subscribe to my channel. Please do. My phone's on 20%. Please go subscribe down below. Please go do that, and bye YouTube. So see ya. Oh, let's have a dance party. Yeah, that didn't work out. And that's how your slime gets turned film. By the way, you can add some of this. And so only little bit because like your slime will immediately dry out. So like only add like a cup, not even a cup, like 1 part. And yeah, that is how I got, and that is how you make fluffy slime. Some of you use shaving cream, I do it the different way. So this is another process that you can use for making for making foam slime. And so yeah, and go like and subscribe. Buy my phone's at 10%.